An unresponsive touchscreen can usually be resolved with a few troubleshooting steps. Common solutions include restarting the device, checking for software updates, and ensuring the screen is clean and free of obstructions, such as screen protectors. If this doesn't work, steps such as adjusting the touch sensitivity settings, testing the touchscreen, or, as a last resort, performing a factory reset can help. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Basic troubleshooting. Restart your device. This simple step can resolve many temporary glitches. Clean the screen. Dust, smudges, or even a slightly dirty screen protector can interfere with touch input. Remove the screen protector or case. Sometimes an ill-fitting screen protector or case can cause problems. Check for software updates. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date, as updates often include bug fixes. 2. Advanced troubleshooting. Adjust touch sensitivity. Some devices allow you to adjust the touch sensitivity settings, which can be helpful if the screen is too sensitive or not sensitive enough. Calibrate the touchscreen. On Windows devices, you can calibrate the touchscreen to ensure accurate input. 3. Test the touchscreen. Many devices have built-in touchscreen test features that can help identify the problem. Safe mode. Booting into safe mode can help determine if a third-party application is causing the problem. Factory reset. As a last resort, a factory reset can resolve serious software issues, but it will erase all your data, so be sure to back up your device first. Contacting technical support. If none of the above steps work, it's best to contact the device manufacturer's technical support or a qualified repair technician.